Hello guys and welcome to another video. In previous videos I showed you how you can set up your OpenClaw on your Mac Mini and how you can connect different tools such as Notion and GitHub to your OpenClaw agents. In this video I'm going to show you how you can run your OpenClaw agent using any local model. At the end of this video you will learn how to run any local model using Ollama and connect it to your OpenClaw agents. And if you're new here, please like and subscribe and let's begin. Just before anything, be sure that your local machine has enough power and hardware to run a local model such as Queen, which I'm going to install it on my machine right now. So the first thing is installing Ollama on our machine. The next step is finding the model that you want to run on your local machine, and your local machine has the power to run that model. So I'm going to choose the Queen 3 8 billion parameter because that's the one that I can install on my machine. So we're gonna copy this and install it. Since I already installed this model, this finished for me so fast, but be aware that it's gonna take time around maybe 10 minutes, 20 minutes or more based on your internet speed because it needs to download the entire model. Now that we have model on our machine, the next step is to just change the primary model for your OpenClaw agent. So we're going to run this command and the model will change. The next step is to restart the gateway if it's running. So with this command, we restart the gateway and we run it again. And just to verify that our model is set or not, we can just go to the agent section and see that the primary model is Ollama Queen 3 8 billion parameter, or whatever other models that you want to use as a local model for your agents. And that's it. In this way you can run any local model on your machine and connect it to your agents. Hope this video was useful for you guys. Share it with your friends if you liked it, and see you in the next video.